Hi there, this is John here, and today we're going to take a look at this little guy. This is the Neo Fighter on the DT-03 chassis. I purchased this earlier in the first quarter of 2022. This was purchased with some vouchers and things that I'd gathered through work and purchased on Amazon, and this is quite an amazing value for money for an entry-level buggy from Tamiya, a two-wheel drive system, and it actually has the bonuses here, as you can see, of a torque-tuned motor, an electronic speed controller, and the CVA dampers upgrade. So get quite a lot for your money on this one, guys. But yeah, let's get the top open and see what's inside the box. I'm not going to do like a step-by-step on every single plastic. I'm sort of kind of going to do a click your fingers and there it is. So let's try it. There you are. As you can see now, there is the parts, and you'll see here they have the extra parts. These are the bonus parts. So this is the torque tuned motor, so that's this guy. Got the electronic speed controller, which is this guy, and not forgetting, we also have the C-parts bag, which is basically the oil shocks, which is lovely to have. There you go, pop-up options. There we go. Wow, what a kit. They've even got an extra set of shock oil. Wow. Very good value for money. You do also have that lovely long slender body. I don't know if I can pick it out in there. That's a very slender body. Anyway, so yeah, that's what you get inside the kit. And of course you get your obligatory manual for your build or your chassis, which is this guy here. And you also get the body guide, and not forgetting those lovely decals. Got to start thinking what colour. Right, so I've got plenty to do. Just love this stage, love putting it together and that creativity. So yeah, this is the unboxing. This is the Neo Fighter on the DT-03 chassis, and well, I hope you join me with the building. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.